Hey everybody, Marion the Barbarian here, and we got an awesome shave for you today. We got a weekend shave. This so far is my favorite scent. I've only had 3 or 4 scents of Løthur, but this is it. Sorry, camera's on the other side, and I'm used to being like, So, anyways, Løthur Dave. This is original version. Scent strength's not supposed to be as strong from what I've told. It's stronger now, but man, it's strong enough for me. And when I lather it up, it opens up, man, like I'm smelling it. It's throughout the restroom. It's a great scent. I believe it was named after his dad. Has like a tea scent. It's supposed to remind him of his dad when he was working in his garden. Really awesome concept in my opinion. But like I said, great scent. Love the scent. Lather's looking pretty good. So we built the lather up in the Captain's Choice Bowl. We are using our Grizzly Bay with the turn and shave quarter moon knot in there. Haven't used this Grizzly Bay brush in a while. Like, it's one of the only 2 Grizzly Bays I have left in my collection, and I kind of want to keep it, but it doesn't get used enough, so it may get sold. There we go. Right, man, such a great scent. Strong scent. I mean, it's not like overpowering, but I mean, I'm smelling it. It's great. And that's why I didn't understand why people said this one was so lightly scented, because opens up once you lather it. We are using, let's do a little talk. We're using the TRC razor. As you can see, some people joke around and say that looks like a stoplight, you know. Red, yellow, green. That's what they say. It's inexpensive. It's like $45.99, $44.99. Double anodized, I believe. Hard coat for the aluminum. It's an all aluminum CNC machined razor. These are CNC machined steel parts. It does make it heavier in the head, which is nice. So we're going to talk about it. It doesn't have a lot of grippy grip, but I don't have issues using it. I will admit, a lot of people don't think this is a sexy looking razor. It's very mild, by the way, which is fine. I don't think it's supposed to be a sexy razor, to be honest. In my opinion, it's very utilitarian. Great razor looking to get started. If you want to keep price point low and you want to be one of those people with only 1 razors, this is definitely one. Because I could totally see someone, you know, 1 tub of soap at a time, 1 razor, 1 brush. Nothing wrong with that. I just don't, that's not necessarily a hobbyist. But it's a great little razor. We're taking off like 3 days of growth here. And it's feeling good. Virtually no blade feel. No clogging. It may not have looked it, but I had a lot of growth, guys. And you can see a lot of black hairs in the sink when I'm rinsing it. So, wet the face a little bit more. I did not prep. I woke up, brushed the hair, and lathered up. So we did not do any prep today. And I have noticed when I don't prep, the hairs don't cut as well. It's just a given, it's the truth. I think it has more to do with oils being on the hair. All right. See, but I got a lot of water all on my hand right now. And I'm not having any issues. There we go. That's against the grain for me there. It did cut something. I was going to see how well I did going against the grain right there, because a lot of razors can't do that for me. Maybe I had a bump or something I nicked. I don't know. I definitely didn't feel it cut. I will tell you though, guys, I'm not a Løthur fanboy. It makes a really nice lather. And I really enjoy this scent. Can't believe, just nicked right there. Didn't even feel it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It's just a glorious feeling. Woo! Oh, that's all real close. All right, we're gonna call that a shave. I'm gonna rinse up, guys, and we'll be right back. All right, guys, now we're back. I'll tell you what, I rinsed off, it felt really good, and I started drying my face, and it started peeling. So, like, all the dry skin that I had on my face peeled off with the towel. Maybe I should have scrubbed my face before I dried it, right? Or before I shaved it. But yeah, it took off a lot of, like, it was rolling up dead skin on my face, so. Weird. I'm sure y'all didn't want to hear that. It sounded gross, but great little shave. Great little shaver. We'll follow up with splash. Ingredients, aqua. I'm trying to see. Alcohol's further down the list. So we do have alcohol in it. My thing with this is I know it's almost viscous, if that's the right word. Kind of oily. Oh yeah. Whoa, that's oily. That is oily, guys. Ooh. I had to wash my hands. I can't put as much as I normally put on with this type of splash. It goes far. Like, all you need is a couple of drops. Because look at this. You'll see how shiny my face looks. It's so much oil. Like, how is there even alcohol in that? Like, you definitely don't feel any alcohol. Very viscous. Very oily. Yeah. Scent's great. Just, I don't know that I'm a fan of that splash, man. Just don't know that I'm a fan of that splash. Whew. It's, okay, it dried in rather fast. Maybe that'll help. Did not like how oily it was off the front, though. Alright, guys, let's talk about the shave. Grizzly Bay. I do like this handle. I like the color. I like the wood. What is that, mahogany or something? I just like it, and that is one of my favorite knives. This is the TRC branded razor. It's a nice, smooth, great shave. If you don't like the looks, I'm sorry, but for the price, for the shave, it's a great little razor. I think they're sold out at the TRC. The person that makes these has these up for sale too. If it's not at the TRC, I will link that link below as well. Hopefully Jason gets more of these in stock. I think they sold out really fast in my opinion. And let's go back and look. I do like the label on the top for Løthur. Løthur Dave. Good stuff. Very, very white, almost iridescent looking soap. But we had a great shave, guys. Hope you all have a wonderful week, a wonderful weekend. And hopefully I'll catch you guys later.